Firstly, before we start anything, make sure the chair is turned off. To remove the floor box cover here, this front cover, firstly we need to move the chair up. Once the chair has been moved up, you can loosen this screw off slightly if it's tight, then remove the panel and put to one side. Once you've done this panel then wiggles a little bit and clips off. So basically these are all the control fuses here. There's 5 in a row and they're all in nice little black cylinders. So we have this one here is the motor. This will control motor movement up, down, backwards and forwards of the backrest as well. AC24 is if the spittoon, water, tumbler, filler aren't working. DC24 is for the solenoids inside the spittoon, air and water as well. Control, this one here controls everything, so if this fuse blows you won't get any movements, anything at all. And then this one here is for the light, overhead light, LED, halogen, whichever is on the chair. So now to replace one of these fuses, you literally press it in gently, turn, the fuse comes out, you would then replace the fuse, put the new fuse in, pop the fuse in the holder, gently, press, turn to the right. Now we're going to talk about large patient access. If you feel a patient is too large, possibly for the chair itself or the actual weight restriction, first of all move the chair up to a working height so the patient can get on and off. Then do not move the chair up and down while the large patient comes in. The large patient can then get onto the chair nice and easy and off the chair nice and easy without moving the base, thus not damaging the chair. If for some reason you have not left the base of the chair into position for a heavy patient and the chair does not move, you have blown this motor fuse here. Again, simply press in, turn, pop out, replace the fuse, put a new fuse in, pop the holder in very gently again, press, turn to the right and it's locked. This is for a data entry, not used on this chair. And here we have the live and the neutral fuses for the chair. Sometimes a cleaner can wet this area, so you must make sure this area is kept dry at all times, because this fuse or this fuse could have blown simply by being wet by a cleaner. Once the fuses have been replaced, the chair's moving, etc., you then replace this panel by clicking it back into these little 2 grooves at the bottom, back on the top, click, push, put the panel. Being careful not to catch these here, because these connectors here are for the mains of the chair. If you catch and dislodge these, the chair won't move. So this is a common area where they can get caught by anybody here. Then click the panel on again and you're done. Okay, so we're going to show you how to do a factory reset on the base and backrest of the chair. So remove the front cover of the chair and you press your finger on this button here that's got CAL calibration. Turn the chair on until you hear 2 beeps. Let your finger off and the chair will now do a factory reset.